oh, I have 50 organic traffic this month. We'll be like, what is that? So I'm very sure you are familiar with this word already. People say it, keyword, 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 keyword. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be diving into the world of SEO and explore some essential terms that is going to be very useful for beginners. Whether you're a website owner, blogger, or just curious about search engine optimization, this video is for you. In case you're new here, my name is Munitala Yusuf. I'm a digital marketing specialist here in Finland. And that being said, let's dive into it. The first term is sitemap. And sitemap is a file that lists all pages on your website and provide information about, their organization and how they are structured. It serves as pathway for Google to easily have access to your content. And then it helps them to use their algorithm and make sure that they understand it, and then they can help you rank your website. So, including sitemap on your website is very essential, and it helps Google to be able to crawl and to be able to see important pages on your website. And this is very crucial. The next is going to be keywords. I'm very sure you are familiar with this word already. People say it, keyword, 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 keyword. And keywords are specific words or phrase that people type on Google, for what you're looking for. And these are just keyword. They are crucial for optimizing your content and making it more discoverable. By incorporating relevant keyword into your website or blog, you increase the chance of appearing in the search results. Keywords intent refers to the intention of the person who is searching it, and it has different categories. The first one is informational intent, and this user are just basically looking for the meaning of something. For example, what is SEO, or what is, the kind of keyword or the kind of things that they are curious about. And the second one is navigational intent. This is basically like people are aware of what they're looking for, and then they just want to use Google to find it and then just go there. Like, for example, YouTube blogging. The next one is transactional intent. Users are looking to make purchase. They are just looking to go and buy. So this, for example, buy iPhone, 15. The latest. I buy iPhone 15 online. So this kind of keyword are just targeted to transaction. They just want to buy something. So the last one is going to be commercial intent. This is just basically a layer before transactional. So users are just searching, they are in the phase of investigating something, and they just want to find the best one before they start searching. So like, for example, that would be best laptop for editing. So they are just in that phase of searching. So understanding these different type of keyword, can help us to align our content to match that intent. Up next is going to be headings. Headings are basically HTML tag that we use to, organize our websites. And then in terms of, just take a look at, like, for example, if you have a book that you're reading, you have the biggest word there, usually at the top is bigger. So it's considered, the hierarchy in that book. So after that, you start seeing subheadings and all of those. So it's the same thing that applies to the website. You have the heading from H1 to H6, and then you can just use them to, categorize how your website wants to look. And, understanding that search engine, prioritize these headings is very crucial, because take a look at it. When something is bigger, it's prioritized to be much more important. When something is smaller, then, it shows that, it's less important. But still, for Google, it's just they want that hierarchy on your website, and using them properly will give you, that sources that you need in terms of your pages. Up next is backlinks. This is super crucial when it comes to SEO, because Google have literally said it that is very good signal for them to rank a particular page. So is the type of link that comes from someone else website to your website. So making it to feel that, oh yeah, this person is trustworthy, I love the content, and this is a kind of signal that Google used to rank your own website. So for example, if I'm writing about SEO, and then I see that Ahrefs or Spyful, they wrote about a certain topic about SEO, and I feel like, okay, yeah, I'm writing, okay, let me just point my link to them. So that one is called backlink. You're linking to another website, and another website is linking to you. So that is what we call backlink, and it's a very good ranking factor. Next one is SERP. SERP. It stands for Search Engine Result Page. This is basically, the page that you see when you type into Google. Basically, that's it. And then the result that you can see, okay, you see someone on page 1, some other are in page 2 when you go to next page, but all of those pages are the search engine result page, and it's basically listing all of the top websites that they find trustworthy, and that they find that, oh, this person is writing about what this person is searching about. So making sure that they meet the user intent, and the word that we'll talk about already, meeting this user intent. So that's it. Next is meta tag. Meta tag are snippet of text that provide information about a website's content to search engine. They help search engine understand what your page is all about, and can influence how it appears in the search engine result, which is the SERP that we explained before. And common meta tag includes title tag, which appears as a clickable headline in search result. And also the next one is a meta description, which provides brief of what a particular page in the search engine result is all about. I don't know if you understand. So these are very crucial to help people identify, and to help also Google identify. So it's a two-side way for your website. Google will understand it, identify it, and also user can see it, and then also it helps them to know what a particular page is all about. So that is the meta tag that is being used. The last but not the least is what we call the organic traffic. Organic traffic basically is, like the visitors that are coming in from the unpaid search from Google. In search engine, we have, the adverts, and after the adverts, we have the organic. So those traffic that are coming from that is called the organic traffic. So basically, when I type, okay, I want to eat sushi in Helsinki, the list comes in, and after that I click through. So that website will consider me as being an organic person who comes from how will I put it like that? That is basically organic search. So that is what it is. The SEO world is just full of different words, but I feel these are the basic one that you need to understand, so that you can start to have that conversation when someone talks to you about SEO, like, oh, I have 50 organic traffic this month. We'll be like, what is that? So now, and I think you know what it means by someone saying, oh, that search intent is, so commercial. So, and then already what it is. When someone says, okay, I need a backlink, you already know what it is. Knowing them, you'll be able to have a very easy conversation when it comes to SEO. And that is it. We've covered the essential term in SEO for beginners. And if you find this video useful, please kindly like it and share, and comment. If you have any specific word, please drop them in the comment below. I will definitely put the definition for you and give you probably example of what it is. That is it. Thank you so much for listening, and please subscribe. I see you in the next one. Please remember to always stay optimized. Thank you. See you in the next video.